Hello my dear friends, today I will show you how to draw a simple location map. It's just a simple location map. Na hii ni video ya pili from the introduction one was introduction to QGIS. We discussed about how we use QGIS at the beginning stage. So here is QGIS tutorial 2 or lecture 2, drawing a simple location map. So here is the step. So first we need to set the CRS. So we go right here and then set my CRS is ARC 1960 UTM zone here. So I want to use like that ya 37 here. Okay, ukishindwa you can just search or use ChatGPT na atakwambia. Second, we add the base map. So go to web, then quick map service. If you don't have one, then go to plugin, then manage it and install plugin. Then you search quick map service. Quick map service for me tayari nimesha install, so there's no need. Ukisha install, you go just to web, quick map service, and then find OpenStreetMap standard, then you click. So it's my map. Another thing, I'll just want to add is a satellite image, so go direct to web and then quick map service, Google, then Google satellite here. So here is my two base map that I'm going to use drawing my location map. Another thing, I want to add district, Tanzania regions and word kwenye QGIS yangu. Kwa hiyo moja kwa moja you can just mark this a simple way. Just mark this shapefile, AutoCAD shapefile, and then you can drag and go to QGIS, paste it. ARC, yes, press OK. So here's my district, Tanzania regions, and Tanzania words. My location map is in Sinza, so I'll just right click here, TZ words, and then go to properties. With the properties, I'll just label and then single label, then word name, then I press OK to find my word. So my word is Sinza, is right here. So I have to extract Sinza peke yake ikae peke yake because this is my case start. So just right click here to identify and then here and then select the Sinza and then go to my TZ words and right click, go to export, save as, save selected features as. So I'll click here and then save. This is Sinza word. Press OK to finish up. So let's turn off TZ, return, and also I have to extract TZ ridge. Okay, I found this, so I want to extract my district, and I know that Sinza is in Ubungo municipal. So other way around to do that, just go to plugins and search OSM map searcher, press search. Here is like here, nimesha install. So if you don't uja install button, you can install and use OSM press search here, OSM press search. So baada ya kuinstall OSM press search, just go to plugin and itaonekana hapa. You go to OSM press search and then you write Ubungo. If you search, you'll get Ubungo municipal is right here. So if it's right here, just add the object in a new layer. So just add the layer. Then I want also to, is right here. Then I want also to add my Dar es Salaam as a region. So just write the, yeah, Dar es Salaam, and then I'll just search here. It's right here. So if double click and add an object in a new layer. So tayari nimesha add layer, sorry, tayari nimesha add layer zangu hizi. Layer ya kwanza, hii district niifute. So layer ya kwanza nime add Sinza ward. This is my Sinza ward. Halafu baada ya hapo nime add layer ya Ubungo municipal, and then have the layer of Dar es Salaam, have that layers. So then I want to add, or I want to extract data za nyumba, barabara, mito na vitu vingine kwenye wadi yangu ambao ndo case study. This is Sinza ward. So how am I going to do? There's so many ways to do that. So you just have to go to plugin and then install quick map. No, sio quick map service. This is OpenStreetMap. So this is OpenStreetMap, quick OpenStreetMap. So just go to plugins and manage your plugins. If you like quick OpenStreetMap, is right here. Quick OpenStreetMap is right here. Upon install, then we are going to extract, or using quick map service to extract the buildings and others. So the first thing, I'll just write buildings or house, and then this is building house, and then I'll use the Canva, which is the Canva extent, and then I will learn my color. I will learn the color. Sometimes it fails, so let's use another way. So a simple way, I've just to go to my web and I'll just search BB bike extract. If I open this, I'll go to this, and then I'll provide here, I will write OSM XML 7Z here, and then here I'll search my press, that is Sinza, and here I'll provide my email address. Upon this, you'll click search to search Sinza Ubungo Municipal, so just click cancel. So here is my Sinza. Sinza is too big. Okay, so click here and then expand there. You can also use add point polygon to shape the way you want, but I just use this. Let me use small portion of Cinza. As I say, Cinza is kind of big. Okay, so I will extract. After a few minutes watanitumia data hiyo kwenye email yangu. And as I said, Cinza is too big, so I want just to take the part of Cinza. So I'll take Tanzania subword and insert it to my QGIS. And then so just take this part of Cinza, which is Cinza A, I think. Let me check properties, label, single label, mtaa name, village mtaa name. Okay, so this is Cinza A, so I'll take Cinza A, just the same procedure. So yeah, I have the layer of Cinza A as my case start. Yes, going back to my email or Gmail, I'll find the SMS ambao wamenitumia, email walionitumia Big Bike. If I open this, I will just click this link to download. Imeanza kudownload. Ikishamaliza kudownload, I'll open this file and then I'll extract all, and then upon extracting, I'll take this file to my QGIS. Upon taking, I'll just select this all and add area. Okay, so here is my data. I got point data, so let me remove one of them. Ngoja nitoe pia point data. Yeah, I've got hizo. Sasa I want to extract this data zikawe my Cinza A, just to go to processing toolbox and then just search for creep. It's like here. If you double click, and then my input layer is Cinza A. So yeah, my input layer, I'll just put my planet, that polygons I have zile nyumba, and then overlay layer I'll just put Cinza A and then LAN. Upon LAN tayari nimesha extract it, so I just put this off, planet, or even remove it. And then I'll just also want to extract these dots, so the same procedure, just clip, then I'll put the polygon, yeah, this one, and then my overlay layer is just Cinza A. Run. Yeah, the last one, these small loads, clip, the same procedure. So done. Then the next thing, I just want to categorize this, so let me put off my Cinza word and my Cinza A. Let's put this on. So I will just go to the script, that's let it click export save as features, so that it stay right away, it stay as a permanent layer, not a temporal. So just saving like This is buildings. Save, create, okay. And then with the load as well. Main load. Same as this. So for that, I'll just copying this and remove them. So I'll also remove this. After that, I'll just right click and go to properties of the building so that we can categorize the buildings, and then go to symbology and symbol and click on the categorize, and then categorize value by type, and then classify. I've got two. Let me try another. Categorize by type name, and that. Try that. So to know that, just right click, go to attribute table, so that you can see this is building, residential, commercial. So I'll just categorize two buildings. So close the attribute table and right click, go to properties, and then categorize, and then categorize by buildings. I don't see buildings here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then go back. Let's go back to our file, then go here, paste it on this layer, and then right click here, go to properties, categorize by building, classify. So here it's open. So okay, let me change some colors. These colors are too shouting. Minimize the opacity, then put this off. Okay, let me change some colors here. Residential is kind of shouting, so let me use this. Is okay for me, and I'll just keep that way. Let me change something. Let me on symbology, then run. Go to style, copy style or the style category so that we can copy this style from here to that. So paste in the style, paste the style or style. So here. So I'm done with my case start. I just click here, go to properties, make this transparent, make this into red color sometimes. This dotted. It's okay. Here is like my bundle. Let's keep this thick. Yeah. So with that, I'll just make some editings with my awesome standard. Okay. Then I'll just minimize the saturation and transparent as well. Yeah, that's fine with me. And then this is the map one. So what I'll just to do is just to then make some changes on these slots. Let's click, go to properties, make them visible. Let me choose the heavy color, or even let's use this. Yeah, this is fine. Let's make it a little thin. Yeah, okay. Here, sure. And then the these are not small load, these are track loads, I mean. Go to properties, like this, track load. Yeah. So for that, let me pull this up. So this is how my first map will look like. So what I have to do is just to copy this, mark this or of this, and then go here and then add them. This would be like a main map. Press OK, and then just remove this. Just keep on this bundle. Make a copy of this. Copy layer, paste layer. So I have two. So these. Okay. So then I'll just use my, this is my Cinza word. So ideal I have to have this. So just change the color of this, like I put it with a green color first. Okay, then I'll change color of this, make it lighter somehow. So here is my Cinza word. So I have Cinza word and Cinza A subword. With that, this will be my make a copy of this also, like copy there, then paste there. So this will be map 2. Let's make it more like symbology, increase kidogo saturation. Yeah, so here would be my second map. So just copy these and then go to here and then add them, and then I'll put it like map 2 second map. So that's all. I just make this. I'll also do something like that. Let me copy this, and this, and make it as a group, like here, add a group, and like this is map 2, and then yeah. So I've been remained with, let me make a copy of this also. What? Since a what? Copy layer. Okay, and even duplicate the layer, and then it's the same as a copy. So just then use this with the my Dar es Salaam. I change this. So for now, I just go to create a new shapefile where I will just create here like a point so that could locate my Sinza, because this is my district, this is my region, and here is Sinza. So here I will use satellite image. So I just come here, add new GeoPackage. You can add new shapefile or GeoPackage. Tutorial ya mwanzo nilielezea namna ya umuhimu wa kutengeneza GeoPackage na sio shapefile. So just create new GeoPackage layer, and then I'll just save it as Sinza location, then click OK. It's just a multi-point, okay, and then click here, then slide here. So I just make a change with the point, and I'll just use on this. So I make some changes of the color over here. Okay, then this look fine with me. So this is that map. So just mark this, 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 then go here, add theme like map 3, then press OK, and then I can also add to group and then say map 3. So here done. So tayari nimeshatengeneza maps zangu, just to create layout. Sasa ni print map zangu, just go to project, new print layout. I'll just go here. This is new print layout. It's a quick, they say it Sinza layout. then I press OK. I'll right click, page properties. Here I'll set it as A3 landscape. That's fine with me. And then I'll just go here, add shape, add rectangle. I had my rectangle just for my title. You can even use this for the perfect, but here is I show you how to work with this, and this is my rectangle I created. And then I want to add the map. Just go here, add the map, just drag here. My map is right here. So with that, I'll add another map over here. Map 2 I'll add over here, and the last map I'll add over here. Done. And then so this is my first map, and this is my first map I wanted to show. So you just go here, and on this just click and say this is main map. So this is main map. Also this is the second map. So if you go here, just you touch on this and say this is map 2, and then this is my last map. So just go here and say this is map 3, and then just click over here, click here to zoom. Okay, and then this is okay with me, so just go to grids, add, click on modified grid, and let's just type like this is too high. Let's try to put 2000. This is fine, or let's say 150. This is good. 50. Then just change the type of a line. I just want to put it as a dotted line, then go back, and then oh my god, let me zoom it, and then I'll put it frame, then zoom it. Let's modify something, or even 8. Yeah, this look fine with me. Then go back, and then I have to put like this, and then draw coordinate, add decimal with suffix. On the left, make sure it's outside, and then it is ascending, vertical ascending, and then on the right, make sure it is descending. So here, let me make some changes over here. Yeah, and this as well. Yeah, that's my first map. I'll also add like North Allo, just add like here. my PC is kind of slow right now. Okay, and add scale bar. Make any changes you want with the scale bar, just the way you want. Yeah, this is fine with me. And then let's increase a little bit scale. So let's increase a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. And that this is my first map. And then so here's my second map. I don't want to put like a coordinate over there, so just put the frame only. And then let's sorry, yeah, right here. And then this is my last map. That's fine with me, that's fine with me. And then let me add like a region. Oh, I have a lot of regions. Let me go back with them. I think I don't need this. Remove. Yes. And then I don't need this. Don't need this. So yeah, if I go back, yeah, tourist. And then let me check with my, just remove the tick and then remove this. Remove these. Okay. Remove these. For here. We can remove some of them. Yeah, we got construction. I think we need to remove these. Remove these. Remove these. So yeah, we just remove some of them. One which are not necessary to be on there on our map. So yeah, let's keep this and then go to font. It does not fit like here. I have so yeah, and then let's write the title of the regent. And then in the font, let's keep the title font big, a little bigger, and then let's put it at center. So yeah, let's also make a frame. Yeah, that's fine with me. And then let's finalize with the title. Just go text title. It is fine, like a location map of Sinzae, showing buildings arrangements. Let's say this is in Sinza Ward Ubungo Municipal in Dar es Salaam. Yes, yeah. So let's increase the font, then put it in the center and the middle. So this is my location map. Thanks you guys for joining. The last thing, you can just like save it to PDF, export as PDF. Just right click here, and then yeah, you can give your sensor map. Yeah, save. Where to go. Thanks you guys for joining. See you in the next time.